How to hide Snapchat friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to keep your friends private. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and there in the who can section, there you simply have to tap on the option labeled as view my story. And now here you can choose as custom and select which friends can't see your story. And with that, you can simply go back and block and remove friends. So here, if you want to completely hide a friend, then you can simply go to the friends list, and from here, you can simply tap on the friend's name right here, and after that you can simply go to their profile and tap on the three dot in the top right corner of the screen, and from here you can simply block your friend. And you can also create a private story by tapping on new story, and after that you can just tap private story and select only friends that you want to see, and this will keep content hidden from others. And that's it. That's how you can hide friends on Snapchat and control who sees your activity. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.